Good morning, dear students. Myself Neeraj Joshi. I hope you and your family will be fine. And following social distancing, you are studying well. Today we will learn about exercise 2.4 and question number 3. Here is find. In first part is 7/3 division 2 and in second part is 4/9 division 5. Third part is 6/13 division 7 and fourth part is 4/1/3 division 3 and fifth part is 3/1/2 division 4 and sixth part is 4/3/7 division 7. Now we are to find these values. So solution is, यानी कि यहाँ पर क्या करना है, डिवीजन का साइन है। ये चीज मैं आपको पहले भी बता चुका हूँ, एग्जाम्पल सहित नियम भी बताया था। सो फर्स्ट पार्ट सॉल्यूशन इज 7/3 डिवीजन 2. वी विल राइट 2 as 2/1 because 2 is a whole number and any whole number can be write as whole number upon 1. Clear? So 7/3 division 2/1. Now 7/3 we will change division into multiply and reciprocal of 2. So result is 7/3 multiply 1/2 because here is 2/1. We will write it 1/2. Clear here? Now 7 1 ja 7 and 3 2 ja 6. Here it is improper fraction because its numerator is greater than denominator. यानी कि ऊपर वाली संख्या नीचे वाली से बड़ी है तो ये improper fraction है। तो improper fraction को हम किसमें चेंज करेंगे? मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में। कैसे? ऊपर वाली संख्या को नीचे वाली संख्या से डिवाइड करेंगे। 6 1 जा 6, रिमाइंडर इज 1, कोसेंट 1, so we can write is 1/1/6. Clear? We will write is 1/1/6. Now second part 4/9 division 5. So we will write it 4/9 division 5/1 and 4/9 multiply 1/5. Reciprocal of 5 is 1/5. Clear? 4 1 ja 4 and 9 5 ja 45. So 4/45 is the solution. Clear? Now third part is 6/13 division 7 is equal to 6/13 division 7/1. By the same way we will solve 6/13 multiply 1/7 and 6 1 ja 6 and 13 7 ja 91. Clear? Result is 6/91. Now fourth part is here 4/1/3 division 7. We will write mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 3 ja 12 or plus 1 13/3. So it is 13/3 division 7/1. So 13/3 we will change division into multiply. It's multiply 13/3 multiply 7/1 will be right 1/7. Clear? So 13 1 ja 30 and 7 3 ja 21. Clear students? Now part 5th and 6th do as your homework. 5th and 6th part you are to do yourself. Clear dear? Now question number 4. Find. First part is 2/5 division 1/2. Second part is 4/9 division 2/3 and third part is 3/7 division 8/7. Fourth part is 2/1/3 division 3/5 and fifth part is 3/1/2 division 8/3 and sixth part 2/5 division 1/2. Seventh part 3/1/5 division 1/2 and eighth part is 2/1/5 division 1/5. ये 8 भाग इसमें दिए हैं चौथे प्रश्न में। इनमें से मैं अलग अलग प्रकार के भाग सोल्व करूंगा और जो एक ही प्रकार से हल होने हैं उनको मैं छोड़ दूंगा, जिसको तुम्हें स्वयं हल करना है। एंड सॉल्यूशन इज हियर। फर्स्ट पार्ट इज 2/5 डिवीजन 1/2। सो वी विल चेंज 2/5 मल्टीप्लाई 2/1, 2 2 जा 4 and 5 1 जा 5। सो रिजल्ट इज 4/5। इस प्रकार से आपको सेकंड थर्ड पार्ट सोल्व करना है। सेकंड एंड थर्ड पार्ट इसी प्रकार हल करना है। फोर्थ पार्ट इज हियर 2 और 1/3 डिवीजन 3/5। सो 3 2 जा 6 and 1 7/3 डिवीजन 3/5। now 7/3 multiply 5/3, then 7 5 जा 35 and 3 3 जा 9। so 35/9 is the result, but it is improper fraction, so we will change it into mixed fraction by dividing. So we will divide 35 to 9, 9 3 जा 27, remainder is 8, so 3 or 8/9 is the solution. Clear now? Now seventh part, because fourth part I have done, fifth and sixth part you will solve yourself, and seventh part is 3 or 1/5 division 1 or 2/3. Here is both mixed fractions, so we will change them into improper fraction. 5 1 जा 5 3 जा 15 and 1 16/5 division 3 1 जा 3 2 5/3, and 16/5 multiply 3/5। now 16 3 जा 48 and 5 5 जा 25, then after dividing we get 1 more 23/25। clear students? आज के लिए इतना ही। the remaining parts you will solve yourself. thank you, have a nice day।